Hello traders, in this video we are going to be talking about Hawkish and Dovish, right? If you've been in the market for a while, perhaps you might have heard of the term Hawkish and Dovish, right? So we want to just compare both Hawkish versus Dovish. So now in Forex trading, central banks play a major role in determining currency value, right? One of the key ways that traders interpret central bank behavior is through the terms hawkish and dovish, right? So now a hawkish stance means a central bank is focusing on controlling inflation. All right, you can just keep this in mind. All right. Okay. So this is a hawkish stance. Okay. This usually involves raising interest rates or keeping them high. All right, so higher interest rates can attract investors, which often strengthens the currency. Okay, on the other hand, a dovish stance means the central bank is more focused on supporting economic growth. All right. So this might involve lowering interest rates or keeping them low. Lower rates can weaken a currency because they offer less return to investors. For example, if a central bank signals that it may increase interest rates in the future, traders may start buying that currency in anticipation, right? So these expectations can move the market even before actual decisions are made. Okay, so understanding whether a central bank is hawkish or dovish helps traders interpret news, speeches, and economic data. All right, the key takeaway is interest rates, right? Interest rate expectations drive currency value, and hawkish or dovish signals help you understand those expectations. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Happy trading.